These are the Lotus Aspen puppies that are 7 weeks old today. And there are also the 6 Cimmer beagle puppies that are 7 weeks old in 2 days. So puppies just had a little evening snack. And we got to change out their pads and bedding and whatnot, and now everybody's out getting a little play time and run around time. Smarty, you got milk face. Hey, Smarty. Hi, baby. This is Tiny Tim, and there is Toby, the liver boy from Cimmer's litter. There's Mocha. Hey, Mocha. There's Mr. Green. And Arrow. Colonel Mustard. Hershey in the blue collar. Red collar is Larry. There is Miss Lily from Cimmer's litter. And the other Miss Lily from Lotus's litter is trying to chew on my shoes. And there's Henry in the yellow collar. So I just opened up the pen, gave them some more space to play in. So we're going to see how they do with just floor and then just pee pads. Hi, babes. Hi, pups. Hello, pups. Hello, Henry. Hi, Smarty. Hey, Hershey. Sierra, quiet. Quiet. Okay, are you talking? You want to talk to Sierra? Yes, you are. Look. There's Sierra. Sierra wants to play with you. She's excited. Good boy, Mocha. You're checking it out. And the puppy's here. They said Mom's on that side. I want to go with Mom. Yes, Henry. Hey, pups. There is Miss Lily from Cimmer's or Lotus's litter. You guys are checking out Sierra. Yes, you are. You are checking it out. So there are 5 of these puppies that were spayed and neutered today. 1 spayed, 4 neuters. And they are doing very well. None the worse for wear after their surgery. Lily was spayed today. She's doing just fine. Smarty was neutered today. He's doing just fine. Aren't you, Smarty? Hey? Oh. Yeah, there you go. Henry was done today. And so was Arrow. And Mocha. Who else? Are you missing anybody? I think that's it. 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's everybody. Sierra. Good girl. That's a good quiet. Yes. Hey, babies. So puppies have. We threw some new toys in today so they could have something different to play. There's Toby in the red patterned collar. Mocha in the basket. There's Lily, the party girl, playing with Mr. Green. Colonel Mustard and Toby over there. Hershey trying to chew on my piece of railway tie. Henry's just quietly standing in the middle. Lotus is there, keeping a watchful eye on her babies. She does like to play with her babies, but we can only give her 1 or 2 at a time, because if we give her any more than that, then they overwhelm her and nurse, and we're not supposed to be nursing anymore. We want them just to be eating food, drinking water, and they're doing well. Do you have the toy, Tiny Tim? Yes, look at you guys. Sierra, it's okay. You be quiet. There's Colonel Mustard right in front of the bed. There's Mocha and Toby. And then everybody else, as soon as I crouch down, they all swarm to my feet. Yes, hello babies. Toby, are you trying to play with Sierra? Hi babies. Tiny Tim is hilarious. It's got mad speed, that one. And he just tears around. Okay, Sierra. That's enough. Hey, Smarty. What you doing, baby boy? So there you go. Puppies are doing well. They don't really seem to be in much of a play mode. There's a few that are, but looks like just talking up a storm tonight. And after the vet said you guys are so quiet today. Yes. You're so quiet. Lily has the bear. Both Lilies have the bear. Sierra, quiet. Henry, Colonel Mustard is trying to drag the blanket out of the bed. And Arrow's deciding to give him a hug. We're going to play tug of war. Tiny Tim and Hershey are going Mum. Well, not Tiny Tim's Mum, but Mum nonetheless. Oh, this is such a fun group of puppies. Tiny Tim, you've got a toy that's almost as big as you are. Hey? Hey, Pop-Ups. There's Lily way at the top of the screen playing with another toy. And you guys, can you hover somewhere else besides my feet? I want to see you playing. Yes, I want to see you playing. There you go. Toby and Lily. Yeah, that's it. You try and drag that bed all over the floor. Why not? Yeah, hey Mr. Green. How you doing there, buddy? Smarty? Colonel Mustard has found the rawhide stick to chew on. He's liking that. He thinks it's pretty cool. You guys, you're just hanging. Hey, that's my shoes. Cut that out, stinkers. No. Stay away from my shoes. Silly babies. Oh, clever boys. Hershey. Clever boy. Now Mr. Green has found the rawhide. Oh, distracted by his brother. Tiny Tim just cracks me up. He's just so full of spit and vinegar. Hey, Pop-Ups, you're doing very well. Yes, you are. You're doing very well. And there comes the little speed demon. Hey, Timmy. Well, there you go. There are the Lotus Aspen puppies and the Cimmer Beamer puppies. They are doing well. They are growing. They are eating food. They are learning to use the pee pads and doing very well. And they certainly love people and love to be cuddled. Oh, don't you? Yes, you do. That's good puppies. Toby, you're hilarious. He's found some food that spilled and he's cleaning up the floor. What a good boy you are. You two are sharing a toy. Jimmy found a noisy toy. Hey Henry. Hey Hershey. Yes, you're good puppies. Alright guys. Time to go.